Hello, this is Jason from MaggieFrame. Today I will do the introduction of the comparison between Tajima regular hoop and the MaggieFrame magnetic hoop by size. We will compare the Tajima 9 cm with the smallest MaggieFrame. This MaggieFrame is 3.9 by 3.9 inch. That means 10 cm by 10 cm. This is the 9 cm Tajima regular hoop. You will see the size comparison. It's like this. It's like this. This is good for the small logo, the chest logo, small logo project. This is the Tajima 12 cm. We do a comparison. It's like this. So the 10 by 10 cm, or we can call it 3.9 by 3.9 inch MaggieFrame is exactly size of the 12 regular hoop. This is the 15 cm Tajima regular hoop, and this is the 5.1 by 5.1 inch. That means the inside area is 13 by 13 cm. So I do a comparison. You will see this is the 18 cm Tajima regular hoop. This is the 6.9 inch by 6.9 inch MaggieFrame, 17.5 cm by 17.5 cm inside embroidery area. You will see the difference. This is the 21 cm Tajima regular hoop, and this is the 8.5 by 9 inch MaggieFrame magnetic hoop, 22 cm by 23 cm inside embroidery area. We do a comparison of the size. It's very close. This is the 24 by 24 cm square shape Tajima regular hoop, and this is the 9.5 inch by 9.5 inch MaggieFrame magnetic hoop. We do a comparison. You will see the shape, the embroidery size, like this. This is the 30 by 30 Tajima regular hoop, and this is the 10.5 by 12.4 inch. That means 26.5 cm by 31.5 cm inside embroidery area. MaggieFrame, you see the embroidery area is very close. This one is 7.6 by 2.7 inch. That means 19.5 by 7 cm inside embroidery area. This is mainly for the sleeve, to do the sleeve, and also do some embroidery project for the baby or children clothing, so you can easily put inside of the embroidery project. 12.6 by 3.9 inch. That means 32 cm by 10 cm embroidery size, embroidery area. This is for a sleeve for the chargers and some special embroidery projects. This. And what's interesting is you will see here the wings we designed for the brackets is special. So in this way, because different brand of machine or different Tajima embroidery machine model, when you put on the machine, from the center of arm to the bar of the arm, the depth is different. Some is very deep, but some is not so deep. So you can adjust the brackets to different screw holes. This size of MaggieFrame can work on all the Tajima embroidery machines. This size is 12.5 inch by 7.7 inch. That means 31.5 centimeter by 19.5 centimeter. This is mainly for Tajima machines. It's mainly working on the backing jackets or clothes. This is also for the jacket backing. Inside dimension is 15.6 inch by 12.4 inch. That means 39.5 centimeter by 31.5 centimeter. This is the embroidery area. This is also for the backing, the jacket backing embroidery job. This just bigger than this one. It's 17 inch by 15 inch. That means 43 centimeter by 39 centimeter. There's 5 copper screw holes here, and the brackets is designed like this for the Tajima embroidery machine. So you can adjust here to you can adjust the position here. This is also designed for the purpose because different Tajima embroidery machine, the depth of the embroidery machine is different. So with this design, this hoop can work on all the Tajima single head embroidery machines. The biggest one, MaggieFrame. Second biggest one, MaggieFrame. The hoop length here with brackets, the minimum size is 495 millimeter. So before you buy this, you choose this size, please just check what's the biggest hoop length in your machine. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video can help you a little bit to find the right size of MaggieFrame which you need for your embroidery project. If you have interest to get more information about MaggieFrame, please subscribe our channel. We will bring more information, skills and experience to you. Thank you for your time.